Okay, right, good morning, year 5. So, what we're going to do is, we're going to start off with a bit of mixed maths to start. So, anytime I say pause, okay, you're just going to pause it, and then that's your chance to have a go. So, let's write the date, 9th of the 11th. So, what I'm going to do is going to give you 4 mixed maths to start with, okay, and then you're going to go through them. Okay, so number 1, we do 5,873. I had 4,298. Number 2 is going to be 13,736. Take away 5,289. Number 3 will be, let's do find the factors of 36. And the last one we'll do as a bit of a different one, 12 times 3 times 2. Okay, so now pause it, okay, and go through those. Right, I'm going to get my answer pen. Okay, so let's do this one up here. So we've got 5,873, add 4,298. We're going to do addition, okay, we're going to do column addition for this one, okay, always remembering to look, because I know there are some people that always forget, okay, you know, am I doing subtraction, am I doing addition, okay, so we've got to remember to look. So 5,873, add 4,298, 8 add 3 will give me 11, exchange the 1, 9 add 7 gives me 16, add the 1 gives me 17, 800 add 200, or as we like to look at it, 8 add 2. Okay, 8 add 2 gives me 10. Add the 1 gives me 11. Exchange it, the 1 over. 5 add 4 gives me 9. Add the 1 gives me 10, with the 1 being up there and it drops down. There. So we should have got 10,171. Right, next one, 13,736. Take away 5,289. I'm just going to do this at the bottom here so you've got enough room to see. So 13736, take away 5289. Okay, we're subtracting. So 6 take away 9, we can't do. So we've now got exchange from the 3. It makes 30, goes down to 20, and I've got to exchange that 10 back over. So 16 take away 9, give me 7. 2 take away, still can't do it. So 2 take away 8. Exchange from the 700, get rid of 100 to make 600, put that 100 on top of the 10, so I've now got 120, but if you make it look like it's 12, okay, 12 take away 8 gives me 4, 6 take away 2 I can do, so I know that one is 4, 3 take away 5, can I do 3 take away 5? No, can't do 3 take away 5, so I'm going to exchange from the 10,000, and there's nothing there, is there? But that 10,000 I'm then going to move, okay, onto my thousands column. Okay, so I've now got 13 take away 5, which should give me 8. Double check through. I have 8,447. Okay, so well done if you got that one. Right, let's look at number 3. Find the factors of 36. Okay, same thing with factors. Okay, look at that idea of factor tree. What goes into that number? What is divisible by 36? Okay, so we've definitely got the first one, which is 1 times 36. Then we know it's an even number, so we know we're going to multiply by 2. So we're going to have 2 times 18. I know, because I know my tables very well, that it multiplies by 3, and it gives me 3 times 12. 4, have I got a 4? Yes, I have got a 4, because I know my tables as well, that 4 times 9 gives me 36. Is there any more? Is there any more? Oh, one more. 6 times by what gives me 36? 6. Okay, so these are your factors now. These are what are divisible by 36. So we write them in a list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. They are your factors of 36. Good, right. And the last one, number 4. Okay, so we've got 12 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, now would you do 12 times 2 first? and then multiply it by 3, or would you do 12 times 3 first and then multiply by 2? It's knowing which way to do it and what's the easiest way. Okay, so I'm going to do it 12 times 3 first. Okay, so 12 times 3 will give me 36. Okay, now I've got 36 times by 2. Now that's a lot easier than doing the other one. If I did the other way, it'd be 12 times by 2, which would give me 24. 24 times 3, that's a bit harder, that is. Okay, 36 times 2 gives me 72. Okay, well done if you got that one. Okay, right, so that was the mixed maths. Let's now move on to our lesson today. So let me get another jazzy pen. I've got so many here. Let's go with green. Okay, right, today, okay, we're going to be continuing the idea of everyone's favourite prime numbers. Okay, right. What is a prime number? Okay, that's the idea we're looking at. Okay, a prime number, okay, is only, and that keyword, so I should have you now shouting at the screen. Okay, don't worry about what your parents think. Okay, shouting at the screen is only, divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, it's only divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, so key. Okay, really is key that it's only divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, that's a prime number. So if we can now think about an example of a prime number, okay, and why that is a prime number. So let's look at 5. Okay, 5 is a prime number because the only factors of 5 are 1 times 5. Okay, that's a prime number. Okay, however, if I looked at the number, let's have a look at number 8. Okay, is that a prime number? Because I've definitely got 1 times 8. Okay, but is there any more? Okay, I've definitely got another one, 2 times 4. Okay, because it's an even number. Now that has more factors in it. It's not only divisible by 1 in itself. You know, this is called a composite number. Now I'm going to list some down here. I want you to tell me whether they are prime numbers. I'm going to keep that at the top so you can see. So if these are prime numbers or if it's a composite number. So I'm going to put 11, 14 and 23. Okay, so I want you to pause it now. Okay, and I want you to think about whether that is prime or composite, or prime and composite. Okay, right, so pause it now. Okay, so right, you should have paused it. Okay, 11, is that prime or composite? It is prime because it is only divisible by 1 in itself. 14, composite, good. Okay, right, composite, because 2 times 7, 14 times 1, okay, it's got more than 2 factors. And 23, good, prime. Okay, we should have realised it's prime. So 11 and 23 are prime. Now you've got a task underneath this on Google Classroom that relates to multiples, prime numbers, odd, even numbers, okay, and gets you really to think about it. And if you're struggling again, go through prime numbers again, have a look what it means, okay, and good luck.